Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the best video converter software that you can use in 2025 in Windows 11 in the latest versions 24H2, 25H2. This will work great on any version. You can even use it on Windows 10. In this video, we are talking about MiniTool Video Converter, which you can use to convert videos, even compress videos, and you also have a screen capture option that you can use in this software. So in this video, we're going to see how we can use this software to convert videos, also compress videos, and I'm also going to quickly show you the capture screen feature. So let's begin. First of all, as you can see, we have in the left side all the main functions, and we also have the settings section where we can customize a few things. For example, we can remove the source files from the list after conversion. We can do a maximum convert tasks number, and also we can input the software to shut down the computer, put it on sleep, or also exit the program whenever we are done with the conversion. Related to compression, we can remove the source files after compression, also the maximum compressed tasks. Related to recording, we can change the location where the recorded files are stored. In this case, I'm just going to select desktop and I'm going to click on OK. Now let's add a few files here. For example, I'm just going to add a file from my videos here. Let's add this one, for example. It's going to be added here. As you can see, we can see in the main section here all the videos that we've added. So as an example, let's add another video as well to have two videos here. In the right side of every video, we have these two sections. The left is the source and the right is the output that we're going to get after. So as you can see, we can also use this software to upscale videos if we want, and also you can even use it to change audio formats. Basically, you can either use this feature, convert all files to change the format of all the files, but you can also use this button if you want to change settings to a specific video, as you can see near every file that we have added. I'm going to click on this and then we can change the settings. For example, let's change the format to AVI and let's use HD 1080p. I'm going to select this. You can also see a preview of the size after we do this conversion, and also in this case, let's do another conversion video to MOV and let's go HD 1080p, and you can also individually convert these videos if you want, or you can convert all. In this button, if you click on it, you're also going to see recently used formats or settings that you can apply later on to other videos. And then here in the output section, we can change the output. Just going to go on browse and select desktop. Now let's start the conversion. Click on convert all and let's see how much time this will take. Of course, the first video will take a bit of time because it is a 7-minute video, but as you can see, the second video being only a 2-minute video, it will take very little time. So if we remember correctly, we've converted it to MOV. If we're going to go to properties, we're going to see that this is an MOV file, and of course we're also going to wait for this AVI file to be finished, and then we're going to see if everything is correct with that video. Also, first of all, let's check out the first video. As you can see, the quality is there. We didn't lose any details or anything like that, so I think that is great. And we're going to see if the same thing applies to this conversion to the AVI file. But in the meantime, we can also add different files. For example, let's add our video that we've just converted, and let's, for example, change its settings. We're going to go to video MP4 and let's upscale it to 4K, and then let's just click on convert. So as you can see, you can basically convert a video, and in the meantime, you can also convert another video and so on. Of course, the limit is your computer's resources. Play around with that and see what you can do at the same time. But in this case, my laptop is pretty happy with what I'm doing here, and let's just wait for the final results and let's see if the resolution matches what we've done. Now as you can see, the second file was finished and it didn't override the original file. If we're going to go to properties, you're going to see that the resolution in details is correct with basically upscale it. So I think that is pretty nice. And also right now the first video is ending its conversion process. If we're going to go to properties, it should be an AVI file, as you can see really easily, and we can see that the quality is there. It has been preserved. As you can see, once the conversion process is finished, we can see here the history of the files that we've converted. We can play them, or we can open the specific folder that we've used for that. Now let's also try to compress a file. So for example, I'm just going to try to compress the file that was upscaled, and it should have a size of about 38 megabytes. Let's add it here. Hopefully I selected the right one. As you can see, I selected the right one, and we can change here the compression level. Let's leave it as default to 70%, but as you can see, this is also the recommended range, and you can also change the format at the same time if you want. Now let's just leave it as is. Let's change the output to desktop, and then let's just click on compress all and let's see the final result. Now the compression process is pretty much finished. As you can see, from around 36 megabytes we should now have 28 megabytes, which is actually pretty good. You can use this, as I've said, for different videos. Let me also quickly show you the capture screen function. Let's click on select region. As you can can see, we also have the option to select a shortcut. You can select the system audio, the microphone. Basically, the settings are pretty much basic, but you can also select the frame rate if you want, the output, the codec, the video options, recording hotkeys, and also the main panel, which I think is pretty good. Let's go and record a few seconds. Let's just do something random on our screen, and then let's just stop the recording. As you can see, we can see it directly in the software. So basically, this is MiniTool Video Converter. As I've said, you can use it to convert, compress, and also capture your screen if you need this. It is a pretty cool software that you can use. You can also use it for free in a few files limitation. If you only need it for a few files, you can just use the free version if you want from the description below. And also, we're gonna have their additional information. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.